Hey everyone, ever been stuck wondering what to say to make her heart skip a beat? Well, today, I'm giving you the keys to unlock attraction with just your words. Yup, we're diving into 6 powerful compliments that, when said, when said the right way, can attract any woman you want. Stick around, because number 6 is an absolute game changer. Let's get started. Compliment her energy. When it comes to creating a meaningful connection, words have power, especially when they go beyond surface-level compliments. That's why acknowledging someone's energy can be a game changer. Number 1, compliment her energy. Say something like, "You have such an uplifting vibe. It's contagious." This type of compliment resonates on a deeper level, because it isn't just about how she looks, it's about who she is. Everyone loves to feel like their presence lights up a room, and when you notice that in her, you instantly set yourself apart. A man approaches a woman at a coffee shop, holding his cup. He smiles warmly and says, "You have such an uplifting vibe. It's contagious." Her face lights up as she replies, "Wow, that's so sweet of you to say." See? It's simple, authentic, and super effective. Complimenting her energy shows thoughtfulness and emotional intelligence. It demonstrates that you're not just paying attention to her looks, but valuing the positive impact she has on the world around her. And the best part, it leaves a lasting impression that words like "you're pretty" just can't achieve. Compliment 2. Compliment her style. A great way to make a lasting impression is by noticing the details that others might overlook. Complimenting her style is one such detail, and it speaks volumes. Number 2, compliment her style. Women put time and thought into how they present themselves, so acknowledging that effort is always appreciated. Say something like, "Your outfit is so unique. It really suits you." It's the specificity and thoughtfulness that make this type of compliment stand out. Rather than a generic remark, it shows that you're paying attention to what makes her unique. Cut to a relatable example. A guy at a lively party glances at a woman's outfit and says, "Your jacket is so cool. It really suits your vibe." She laughs, her eyes lighting up, and responds, "Thanks. I spent forever picking it out." Details matter. Compliments like these make her feel seen. When you compliment her style, you're not just appreciating her fashion sense. You're acknowledging her personality and self-expression. It's a simple but powerful way to connect and leave a positive, lasting impression. Plus, it shows her that you value more than just surface appearances. You notice the little things that make her, her. Compliment 3. Compliment her ambition. Few things are as captivating as someone who is passionate about their goals. Acknowledging her ambitions not only shows that you're listening, but also that you value her drive and determination. Number 3, compliment her ambitions. If she shares a goal, dream, or project she's working on, respond with something like, "That's incredible. I love how driven you are." Ambition is universally attractive, and showing genuine admiration for her dedication will leave a lasting impression. A woman excitedly talks about her side hustle, detailing the late nights and challenges. The man smiles and says, "That's incredible. I love how driven you are." Her face lights up as she responds, "Thank you. That means a lot. Trust me, this one works because it's about valuing her mind and passion." Complimenting her ambitions is about recognizing her efforts and the vision she has for her future. It goes beyond the surface, highlighting her inner strength and resilience. This type of acknowledgement makes her feel truly appreciated, not just for what she does, but for the passionate, motivated person she is. It's authentic, impactful, and unforgettable. Compliment to 4. Compliment her humor. Laughter is one of the most powerful ways to build a connection. A shared sense of humor can spark joy, deepen bonds, and create unforgettable moments. Number 4. Compliment her humor. Women love to laugh, and they also love being the reason you laugh. A simple compliment like, "You're so funny, you always know how to make me smile," can make her day. It shows that you appreciate not just her wit, but the way she brings happiness into your life. A woman tells a clever joke at a gathering. The guy chuckles and says, "You're so funny, you always know how to make me smile." She laughs and responds, "That's the best compliment I've heard all day." Laughter is magnetic. Highlighting her humor creates a connection. Complimenting her humor isn't just about acknowledging her jokes. It's about valuing her ability to create positive, lighthearted energy. Humor is a reflection of personality and intelligence, and when you notice it, you're letting her know that you admire her unique spark. It's a genuine way to connect, share joy, and leave a lasting impression. Compliment 5. Compliment her strength. Strength comes in many forms: physical, emotional, or mental, and recognizing it shows you value her resilience and character. Compliments like these go beyond appearances and touch on the deeper aspects of who she is. Number 5. Compliment her strength. If she shares a story about overcoming a challenge or staying determined, say something like, "I really admire how strong you are." It's inspiring. Women value resilience, and acknowledging their inner fortitude is a meaningful way to connect. A woman opens up about a tough experience she overcame. The man listens attentively and says, "I really admire how strong you are." It's inspiring. She nods appreciatively, a soft smile on her face, and responds, "That means so much to me." This one's powerful because it's about depth, not just surface level compliments. By complimenting her strength, you're validating her journey and showing emotional intelligence. It's not just about what she's achieved, but about the courage and perseverance she's shown along the way. These kinds of compliments resonate deeply, creating a bond built on respect and admiration. It's authentic, heartfelt, and unforgettable. Compliment 6. Compliment her impact. Some compliments go beyond the moment and recognize the lasting impression someone leaves on the world. Complimenting her impact is one of the most heartfelt ways to show appreciation for who she is and the difference she makes. Finally, number 6, compliment her impact. Say something like, "You have this amazing way of making people feel valued." This type of compliment is next level because it highlights her influence on others, not just her actions, but the way she makes people feel. It shows that you're paying attention to the positivity she brings into her interactions. A group is chatting, and the woman helps someone feel included in the conversation. The man smiles and says, "You have this amazing way of making people feel valued." She looks touched and responds, "Thank you. That really means a lot." It's genuine, heartfelt, and unforgettable. Complimenting her impact speaks to her kindness, empathy, and ability to inspire others. It's not about appearances or accomplishments, but about the intangible qualities that make her unique. This kind of recognition not only makes her feel appreciated, but also leaves a deep and lasting impression. It's simple, sincere, and incredibly meaningful. Conclusion. There you have it. 6 powerful compliments to attract any woman you want. Remember, the key is authenticity. These compliments work because they're about her, not just her looks. So go out there and start making genuine connections. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite compliment. I'll see you in the next video.